Hey guys, today I'm going to use the Anastasia Amrezy Eyeshadow palette. I wanted to get into some of those pinks in there and the blues just to give that pop of color. I really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave down below any requests you guys have. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Alright, I'm going to go ahead and blend out this eyeshadow primer to make sure it is nice and smooth. I changed y'all setup again. How do you guys like it? Do you even care? Does it even matter? Alright, so I'm gonna go in to OG. That is going directly into the crease. My brush is clean, so it's a little stiff. I do not, when I get new brushes, I hate how they feel. But these are not new. I just washed them, but still. I did try to film before this video, and it's already patching up in the same area the other eyeshadow was patching up in. So maybe it wasn't the palette, it was just me. Oops. Why is everything like everywhere today? What is going on? Alright. Do my little circular motions. Bringing it slightly upwards. Alright, now I am going to go in to 1988, which is that brownish shade. I'm applying that into the crease. And I'm starting out nice and lightly. I'm going to have to blend this out quite a bit. I always have my hand here, but I'm not actually tugging. I just feel like I need to put it there for support. So tipping my head up a little bit to just help with the blending. I really hope you guys cannot hear. My husband is playing video games and his parents call him 1,000 times a day. So you could probably hear that in the background. And I'm bringing it a little bit more inwards because I am going to do my little wannabe cut crease. So it does need it to be a little bit more deeper. Let me know if you guys want to know like my favorite and top like Anastasia eyeshadow palettes and which ones I actually use. Because you'll probably be surprised or not of the one that I never touch, which is the ones that everybody buys. Ha! Just give it away, right? Okay. It looks so harsh right now. And now I'm just going in because it looks harsh anyways. Okay. I'm going back into that lighter brush that I used for OG, and I'm going to actually just apply it on top of that to help with the blending. like I don't know how to blend today. Alright, I took another like 2 minutes to just make sure everything was blended. I didn't apply additional product. I went right in with the brush that I used for 1988, which is the dark brown, and just kept doing little circular motions and bringing it slightly outwards just to make sure it is blended to this extent at least. So I think I'm actually going to go in with this color right here, which is a little bit more of a purpley color. Might add black, don't know yet, to really deepen out the outer corner. But so I'm just gonna dab it. I'm gonna start bringing it a little bit towards the center of the eye, just a little bit, just slightly, not a lot, because I am gonna apply some color there. Just like that. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going in with this guy and Wannabe Cut Crease. I say that because I kind of suck at it, guys. To be 100% honest, I am not the best on myself. But yeah, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do little dabs. Always up in your eye to see where it's supposed to kind of end. I think I'm just gonna do the beginning part and then the rest. I'm gonna add some glitters. I think it'll be fine. And my eye shapes are completely different, so this honestly takes me like forever to do. Going out my fingers to make sure it kind of blends out nicely and smoothly instead of having like a harsh little line there. Okay. How are you guys doing? How are you holding up? This is my outlet. Do not think about it. What are you guys doing? What are you guys watching on YouTube? What are you guys watching on Instagram? Anybody I should follow? I have been addicted to watching doctor shows, which probably isn't the best considering everything, but yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going into Liddy, which is this gold color, and I'm gonna apply that to the front part of my eye, and it is a press of glitter, so I am a teeny tiny bit nervous. It right here. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. I just do little dabbing motions just to make sure it really holds. I usually use glitter glue. I don't know why I didn't. This is all very true. I'm gonna do the same thing to the side. Okay. This one. I actually really love these brushes, and this is the Crown Pro brushes. This one's in C510. I just read it and I forgot it as I read it. Alright, just like that. Alright, now I am going into this light pink shade. And I'm going to apply that to the center of the eye. Wow, this shade is super chalky. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. I like that. Oh, shut up. You were chalky though. And just make sure you're blending the shades together. Be nice little wedding of them too. Feels good. I wish it looked a little bit more pink in person than it does in the palette. That makes sense. They're going to turn a little like this. Kind of look a little bit more, but let's kind of bring it slightly into the darker outer corner. We're going to blend that out anyways, but so I kind of want to add a little bit more of another shade. So I am going to go into the Cupcake, which is a more vibrant pink. And actually, I'm going to apply that shade right here in between these two, because I feel like that's where I'm missing a little bit of something. Oh, yeah, that makes a big difference. And just kind of add those two together. Ooh. Now it kind of just creates a little bit more of a like transition. And I keep hitting my face. Anybody who's noticing that? Because it's like I don't see my face or something. Like, what's going on? Yeah, I really like how that is going together. They look really pretty together. I like that. Okay, now I am going I'm going with the brush where I applied the darker brown into the crease that I was fighting with, 1988. And I'm just going to kind of apply it where we have that other pink shade lightly and just kind of blend it into that so it doesn't have any harsh edges. So now I'm going into a itty bitty brush back into 1988, and I'm going to just a little bit define that little I want to be cookies. Just a little bit, and then I'm going in and just making sure it is blended. Actually, I'm going to go with a knee brush and blend it. Just slightly. Yep. Alright, and now with the brush, it doesn't have anything on it. I'm just going to make sure everything is blended away. There's like no harsh edges to around the corners. Alright, so I actually already put eyeliner on and on my tight line, but I am going to go into the blue because I feel like this look is a little bit boring and you guys are like, you always go on blue. I do. So, don't. Oh, okay. And I'm applying it to the lower lash line. Just to get a little bit more sun. Wow, that shade is super chunky. Holy chunky. I'm actually just gonna go with the shade, the brush that I was blending with, and just go down there just so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, now I have this part. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see any other additional videos. Stay safe, stay home, and be careful. And I'll see you guys next time.